So, what are these? Transitive verbs are verbs that require a direct object. They are not just verbs that take objects, they also demand objects. The action is transferred to someone or something. This is why an object is part of a transitive verb. Intransitive verbs, on the other hand, do not require an object to act upon. Some English verbs can only be intransitive, that is, they will never make sense paired with an object. Depending on the use, some verbs may either be transitive or intransitive. Linking verbs are always intransitive. And here's how to distinguish between those two. To decide whether the verb is being used intransitively or transitively, we should determine whether the verb has an object. These questions are flashed on your screens, and the verb is transitive only when the answer is yes. Here now are some sentences using transitive and intransitive verbs. Retrieved what? The golden fleece. Jason and the Argonauts retrieved the golden fleece. The object here is the golden fleece. Ares is the god of war. This is an intransitive verb because it is linking. Aphrodite is the goddess of beauty is also an intransitive verb because it is linking. Rip Van Winkle slept for 20 years. This contains a prepositional phrase and it is intransitive because it has no direct object. This is also a transitive verb because the person who's being ignored here, me, the sentence. We studied our lessons during the long weekend. This is a transitive verb because it shows what is being studied. In short, lessons. Lessons is the object. And the last one here is an intransitive verb because it doesn't have an object. Thank you for listening.